This is CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Wòlíì tún ti jáde o láti yànnàná gbogbo rògbòdìyàn tó ń lọ káàkiri àgbáyé lórí Trump, United States àti Israel pẹ̀lú àwọn ìlú Iran àti ìlú Russia àti ìlú China bí gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣe ń lọ lọ́tún àti lósì tẹ́rù ń ba everybody. Wòlíì ti jáde o, wọ́n ní pé ogun àgbáyé ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta tí gbogbo ènìyàn rò pé ó máa wáyé, wọ́n ní kò lè wáyé o, wọ́n ní kò lè gba ọwọ́ ọmọ ènìyàn wáyé tí Ọlọ́run bá ti máa fàyè rẹ̀ kò ṣe láti ọwọ́ ọmọ ènìyàn nísinsìnyí. Ẹ̀yà àjọ wa kò fi lé ẹ̀fìlé nǹkan fẹ́ gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ àlàyé prọfẹ́sì láti ẹnu wòlíì, torí wọ́n fi díẹ̀ múlẹ̀ gidigidi kan pé kò sí bí gbogbo ẹ̀kùn ló ṣe ń mì, wọ́n ní kò lè jábọ̀ ẹja àjọpọ̀.
Thus says the Lord.
Gba ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gbọ́mọdé yìí.
Believe this word.
Kò lè sí third
There will
world
be
war.
no third world war.
Látọwọ́ àwa èèyàn.
From we men.
Ó mọ̀ tán pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
You know what is called like that?
Kò sí bó o ṣe lówó tó.
No matter how rich you
Kò
are.
sí bọ́ńkà tó lè build.
No matter the bunker you can
Tí
build.
third world war bá ṣẹlẹ̀.
If third world war take place.
O ò lè escape.
You cannot escape.
Wà á bá lọ ṣáá ni.
You will go with it surely.
Gbáhùn tí mo sọ yẹn gbọ́.
Believe what I said.
Kò sí ogun tó lè jà.
No, there's no battle that can take place.
Kò lè sí third world war.
There will be no third world war.
Gbọ́ mi dáadáa.
Listen to me very well.
Wọ́n lè lo nuclear weapon for any country
They
o.
can use nuclear weapons.
Ṣùgbọ́n kó wá di war tí gbogbo wọn mọ̀ jù lóra wọn.
For it to not become war that everyone will not be using it.
Gbọ́ mi dáadáa.
Listen to me very well.
Amẹ́ríkà gan ò fẹ́ lò.
America did not want to use it.
Russia ò fẹ́ lò.
Russia did not want to use it.
Ìyẹn China ò fẹ́ lò.
China did not want to use it.
Àwọn China tán fẹ́ tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n láìkì owó wọn ò fẹ́ lò.
Even the Chinese that love money so much, they don't want to use
Sórí
it.
gbogbo àwọn tó ṣe nuclear weapon.
You see all those that created nuclear
Kò
weapons.
sẹ́ni tó rẹ́dì àti kú nù
None
wọn.
of them is ready to die among them.
Tọ́ bá rẹ́dì àti kú,
If they are ready to die,
wọn ò rẹ́dì
they are not ready
àti pa generation wọn.
to destroy their generation.
Àtẹni tó lò ó,
Though, even the one that use it
àtẹni tó ṣe é,
and the one that
tí
created
third
it,
world war bá wáyé,
if the third world war take place,
àtàwa tá à ń wóra wa yìí.
even both of us that we are looking at
Nàìjíríà tí ò
ourselves,
lọ́wọ́ nú ẹ̀,
Nigeria that now have hand in
ó máa bá lọ.
it will go with it.
Ayé aṣòfò.
The air to be empty.
Èèyàn kọ́ ni ó pa ayé rẹ́.
It is not man.
Ọlọ́run fúnra rẹ̀ ni ó pa ayé rẹ́.
It is God himself.
Gbáhùn tí mo sọ yẹn gbọ́.
Believe what I
Èèyàn
said.
kọ́ ló máa pa ayé rẹ́.
It is not man that will
Ọlọ́run
eradicate
ló
the
máa
earth.
pa ayé rẹ́.
It is God that will eradicate the
Èèyàn
earth.
kọ́ ló máa wipe out èèyàn kọ́ rò lórí
It is
ilẹ̀.
not man that will wipe out men out of the
Ọlọ́run
surface of
ni ó
the
kó
earth.
àwọn èèyàn kúrò.
It is God that will wipe away men from the
Mark
surface of the
statement
earth.
yẹn.
Mark my statement.
Ogun tí à ń retí báyìí
The battle that we're expecting now,
tó jẹ́ ogun àgbáyé,
that is the war of the
òun ni
world,
ogun Àbágádọ́n.
is the war of Armageddon.
Ó wà nínú Revelation.
It's in the book of Revelation.
Ogun yẹn máa wáyé lẹ́yìn tí rapture bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀.
That war will take place after rapture.
Jésù ó wàá padà wá.
And Jesus will come
Yóò
back
wá
again.
lórí ẹṣin fífún.
He will not come in the white
Pẹ̀lú àwọn
horse
ogun ọ̀run lẹ́yìn
with
rẹ̀.
the host of heaven.
Àwọn
at his
tí ayé
side.
bá wà ń gbà yẹn
Those that are alive from
ni
the
wọ́n
earth
mọ
that
ju bọ́ọ̀bù pé wọ́n fẹ́ pa Jésù.
the one that be throwing bomb.
Ìgbà yẹn Antichrist ó ti take over ayé.
That time Antichrist would have taken over the
So
earth.
kò wá ní fẹ́ kí Jésù ó gbàjọba lọ́wọ́
We
òun.
don't want Jesus to take the government
Àwa
from
máa
him.
shoot
He
oríṣiríṣi.
will be shooting a lot of things.
Ṣùgbọ́n jẹ́ tú àṣírí fún ọ.
Let me reveal a secret.
Jésù
to
ò
you.
sí nínú firmament.
Jesus is not in the
Kò sí
firmament.
nínú space.
He's not in
Kò
space.
sí nínú planet.
He's not in planet.
Ibi tí Jésù wà,
Where Jesus is,
kò sí bọ́ǹbù tó lè débẹ̀.
no bomb can get
Kò
there.
sí ẹ̀dá èèyàn kan tó lè débẹ̀.
No human being can get there.
Níjọ́ tí èèyàn bá wọbẹ̀,
The daily day that a man
kò
gets
tó
there,
padà wáyé
he
mọ́.
will not return back.
Ó lọ nìyẹn.
He's gone.
Òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ló gbọ́ lẹ́nu mi.
It's true that you are hearing from
Ọlọ́run
me.
wà.
God exists.
Ọlọ́run á kàn máa wo gbogbo wa.
God will just be looking at all of
Ẹ máa
us.
para yín.
Just be killing
Ẹ
yourself.
lè pa ayé
You
run.
cannot destroy
Mo
the earth.
sọ èyí,
I've said this.
kò lè sí third world
The
war.
third world war will not take
God
place.
bless you.
Olúwa yóò bùkún fún